Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today, guys, I'm going to go over how to maximize the efficiency of your given life path. So in order to make this thing work, guys, you have to figure out what the key components are with your life path and then figure out how you can utilize them for maximum efficiency. So some people will say they're a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, or you're a master number, which is 11, 22, and 33. I'm going to go over all of them today and just give you guys an introduction in how you can overperform for your life path so that it gives you everything that you want. The truth is that the universe is very giving, but it's only giving to the people that deserve the gifts of their life path, meaning their planetary entity. So life path 1 is what I'm going to start off with. This is based on the sun. This is the center of our universe, the biggest star that's out here, of course, just in the Milky Way. So when it comes to the sun, when it comes to life path 1, your main focus should be independence. So what that means is that you should have independent finances, independence for your emotional concerns, independent mental, just sort of stimulation, meaning that your whole life should be based on making sure that you're a complete independent entity and that people will just simply come to you for things, not the other way around. The next life path I want to focus on is the life path number 2. If you're a life path 2, it doesn't mean you need to be a pushover, but you have to focus on cooperation, meaning your main soul's energy is focused on partnership ventures and working with other people, particularly one-on-one situations. So you have to get used to cooperating with other people, and where you can create harmony is going to be where you're actually going to have the most success. If you're a life path number 3, your main focus should be creativity. Creativity means that you're going to focus on whatever it be arts, music, modeling. It could even be certain businesses as well, like sales and marketing. Threes make very charismatic leaders, but you have to focus primarily on where your creativity is going and make sure that you're putting that energy into everything that you do and maximize that efficiency. For life path 4, your thing should be pragmatism, being organized, making sure that you focus on being the most organized person that you can be. And once you're that organized version of yourself, you'll then see that life just starts to fall into place. For number 5, you have to focus on freedom. So you have to look at do you have freedom and how are you utilizing it for the maximum efficiency. Life path 6, it's harmony, meaning groups of people. Focus on where you can create harmonization, because where that harmonization gets created, that's where attraction follows through. And through that, you actually do achieve success. Number 7, you need to focus on your spiritual intuitiveness, meaning focus on what the universe is sending to you. And in turn, you'll have a lot of success when you actually focus on your belief system. Number 8, focus on money. If you do not focus on money, you will fail and be trampled by this planet. And number 9, focus on ideology. Figure out what your ideological beliefs are and use that to get ahead in this lifetime. That's it, guys. Peace.